Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to customize gestures of our talkback option in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, how to customize gestures when our talkback function is on? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, next talkback and settings. In settings we have the option to customize our gestures. So, as you can see, we have one finger options, we have one finger angle, two fingers, and three fingers, etc., etc. We can change these pre-assigned functions by tapping the option that we want to change, and as you can see, we have a selection of what this gesture can do. We have quite a wide list here, and don't forget to save and back out. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.